guys, it's Billy, and it's time for a special lightning round this week, the Gospel Choir lightning round, where we're going to celebrate all correct answers with a gospel song. Let's go, guys, let's go. Miss, for $1, who's more of a hero, Nelson Mandela or Elizabeth Banks?
Nelson Mandela.
Yes, correct!
Dancing in the spirit.
Yes!
Oh, dancing in the spirit.
Oh, she knows it! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Miss, for $1, which would make you happier, winning the lotto or John Cusack playing one of the Beach Boys?
$1 million.
Yes, there you go, yes! Yes! Who cares about John Cusack, right? Everyone wants to win the lotto.
Yes.
Yes, John Cusack's had enough chances. He's had enough chances. He's had enough chances. He's had enough chances. Where is Joan Cusack when you need her? Where is Joan Cusack when you need her? Let's go, guys. John Cusack. Guys, for $1, which would you rather have, Netflix, Hulu, or People Who Love You?
People who love me.
No Hulu!
Nobody.
I'm so sorry, it's always Hulu. Let's go, guys. We'll get them next time. Nobody knows but Hulu. Let's go! Miss, for $1, true or false? F those skinny bitches in the club.
True.
Yes, correct! Yes! Get those skinny bitches! Skinny bitches are going to hell. Here's your $1. Skinny bitches, you're going to hell.